Everyone, in today's video, the topic is about how to add a door access card to your iPhone, meaning your iOS phone. So, you will simply open the app, and the app that I'm talking about is Apple Wallet. Then you will click on this button, Add to Apple Wallet, and then from there you will simply follow the instructions and what you want to say. Your express mode will be turned on, and then you will simply below the cards option you will see a door access card button, and then you will click on it and then follow the instructions that they give you. And this gives you the option of when to put your phone on an electric lock, and then this automatically enables the express mode in your phone, and then you simply hold your device against the lock and they open it, and the phone opens what you want to say, your electric lock. So in simpler words, on your iPhone app, open the wallet application, which is this. Let me search it up for you. This application, and then tap the add button. Then from that option, from that tab, what you want to say, you will see the option of previous cards, and then tap your resident key and follow the on-screen instructions that I have told you below previously till this what your instructions in the Apple support website that I was talking about in the video. So yeah, these are the instructions that you will need to follow. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.